Hello everyone! Welcome to Youre County Library's Preschool Storytime Fun. I'm Miss Amy from our Lake Wiley branch. Today we will read 2 books together and sing some songs as well. Before we read our books, let's sing a song together. We'll sing the song If You'd Like to Read a Story, and we'll sing this song to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. We'll do some actions in the song, and you can follow along with those actions. We're going to nod our head, clap our hands, and shout hooray. Let's sing our song. If you'd like to read a story, nod your head. If you'd like to read a story, nod your head. If you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, nod your head. If you'd like to read a story, clap your hands. If you'd like to read a story, clap your hands. If you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, clap your hands. If you'd like to read a story, shout hooray, hooray! If you'd like to read a story, shout hooray, hooray! If you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, shout hooray, hooray! If you'd like to read a story, do all 3. Hooray! If you'd like to read a story, do all 3. Hooray! If you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, if you'd like to read a story, do all 3. Hooray! Very good, everyone. Great job singing and following along. Now it's time to read one of our books. Our books today are about bears and different colors. The first book that we will read is called Baby Bear Sees Blue, and it was written and illustrated by Ashley Wolff. We will be reading this book with the permission of the publisher, Simon Schuster, and we thank them for their permission. Let's read our book. Baby Bear Sees Blue by Ashley Wolff. Deep down in the den, Baby Bear wakes up. He yawns and blinks and stretches his stubby legs. In the den's dark wall, an opening slowly fills with light. A glow creeps in. "Who is warming me, Mama?" asks Baby Bear. "That is the sun," Mama says. Baby Bear sees yellow. At the mouth of the den, leaves dance on a twig. "Who is waving to me, Mama?" asks Baby Bear. "That is the oak," Mama says. Baby Bear sees green. High in the oak, a bird calls out. Another bird answers. "Who is singing to me, Mama?" asks Baby Bear. "Those are the jays," Mama says. Baby Bear sees blue. Mama Bear wades the swift river. Baby Bear follows. Suddenly a fish leaps. "Mama, who splashed me?" asks Baby Bear. "That is the trout," Mama says. Baby Bear sees brown. Mama and Baby climb into the meadow. Baby Bear sniffs. "What smells so good, Mama?" asks Baby Bear. Those are the strawberries, Mama says. Baby Bear sees red. Mama Bear rests in the grass while Baby Bear explores. Bright wings flutter by. Who tickled me, Mama? Asked Baby Bear. That is a butterfly, Mama says. Baby Bear sees orange. Baby Bear hears a deep rumble. Mama, who is growling at me? That is the thunder, Mama says. Let's hurry home. Baby Bear sees gray. When the boom and grumble move off down the valley, Baby Bear peeks outside. Mama, look. That is the rainbow, Mama says. Mama and Baby curl together. Baby Bear yawns. Good night, Baby Bear, Mama says. Good night, Mama, says Baby Bear. Then Baby Bear closes his eyes and sees nothing but deep, soft black. The end. Now we'll sing a song about what color are you wearing. You can follow along with the actions, and we will sing this song to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Here we go. If you're wearing the color red, the color red, the color red. If you're wearing the color red, put your finger on your head, head, head. If you're wearing the color pink, the color pink, the color pink. If you're wearing the color pink, give a little wink, wink, wink. If you're wearing the color black, the color black, the color black. If you're wearing the color black, give your shoulder a little tap, tap, tap. If you're wearing the color blue, the color blue, the color blue. If you're wearing the color blue, put your finger on your shoe, shoe, shoe. If you're wearing the color green, the color green, the color green. If you're wearing the color green, put your finger near your computer screen. If you're wearing the yellow today, yellow today, yellow today. If you're wearing yellow today, give a shout, hooray, hooray. Hooray! Hooray! Very good, everyone. I hope you had fun singing that song and following along. Let's read our next book about colors and bears. This book is called Bear Sees Colors. It was written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. And we are reading this book with the permission of the publisher, Simon Schuster. Let's read our book. Colors, colors everywhere. Can you find colors just like Bear? Mouse and Bear are walking. They are chitter-chatter talking. So much for them to do. And the bear sees blue, blue flowers by the trail, Blueberries, blue pail. Blue, blue everywhere. Can you spy blue with bear? Along the trail hops Hare. Howdy ho there, Mouse and Bear. Hare points up ahead, and the bear sees red, red blossoms, red cherries, red juicy raspberries. Red, red everywhere. Can you spy red with bear? Badger's at the pond with his old galoshes on. Look there, Badger bellows, and the bear sees yellow, drippy, sticky, oh so yummy honeycombs with yellow honey. Yellow, yellow everywhere. Can you find it just like bear? Gopher's out with Mole. They are on a little stroll. Bear spots them by the stream, and the bear sees green, green mint for making tea, green and tasty sweet peas. Green, green everywhere. Can you spy green with bear? Raven, owl, and wren lay a picnic in the glen. The friends all gather round, and the friends see brown, chocolate cake, brown and sweet, brown cookies, such a treat, brown eyes, brown hair, friendly, fluffy, brown bear. Colors, colors everywhere. Can you find colors just like bear? The end. Now let's do a little activity. Today I'm in my kitchen and I am going to create a shaker instrument out of an empty water bottle. You can use any plastic container to create a shaker instrument as long as it has a lid. Or you can use a plastic egg if you have one, or even a clean food container like this one to create a shaker instrument. So I have different kinds of dried beans. These are red beans. I also have green split peas and dried black beans. I also have white rice. I have tiny colored beads. And I even have paper clips to create different shaker instruments. You can use whatever you have at home. You can even use buttons too. So I'm going to take my empty plastic water bottle and fill it with dried beans. An easy way to fill your container, if it has a tight opening, is to take a piece of paper and roll it up like this so that it will fit in the opening. Roll it up, stick it into the opening of the container, and then I'm going to pour some dried black beans into the piece of paper. Here we go. See how easy that was? And then I'm going to put on the lid. Always remember to put on the lid. And listen. Doesn't that sound fun? I'm going to put the colored beads into this container. I'm putting on the lid. Hear that? That sounds good too. Let's do both. Here's one I filled with paper clips. That sounds fun too. And I'm going to fill my plastic egg with green split peas. Just pouring them in, putting the lid on, and now I have an egg shaker. In this container, I put different color things in. And I'm putting on the lid, and that sounds good too. They all sound a little different. Which one do you like best? I don't know. I like them all. You can pause this video while you make your own shaker at home. Then come back with your shaker and we'll sing a song together. Let's sing Mary Had a Little Lamb with our shakers. Here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Hooray, good job. We've almost come to the end of our story time. I hope you had fun today. I'm going to use our shaker and sing one more song for you. The more we read together, 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 the more we read together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause reading and singing and talking together helps us read much better, and reading is fun. Reading is fun, and don't forget to sign up for our summer learning challenge. It's called Tales and Tales, and it runs June 7th through July 30th. We have great virtual performers this summer, and you can see our events and sign up for the Summer Learning Challenge at yclibrary.org. Bye-bye, everyone. Come back soon for another story time from York County Library. Bye.